Mail Merge Made Simple by Susan Austin. What is Mail Merge? Mail Merge is a great time saver if you need to create the same document that is addressed to different individuals with their own unique data. How does it work? You have the main document, which is called the master copy. You then have to attach it to a data source, which contains the records of individual information. What is a data source? It is a collection of records that holds individual pieces of information. An example is your names, addresses, telephone numbers. A data source really is a table, and each individual row is a record. So, the 6 simple steps to Mail Merge are: Step 1. Set up main document. Step 2. Create a data source. Step 3. Attach the data source to the main document. Step 4. Add fields. Step 5. Preview the results. Step 6. Print documents. So let's get started. Step 1. Set up main document. My recommendation is to have the main document ready and waiting, as shown here. Highlighted in yellow are the fields I need to insert from my data source. Step 2. Create a data source. Yet again, my recommendations is to have the data source already set up, as shown here. You can create a data source within Word, but it is more complicated. A word of warning: your column labels, but in this instance called fields, needs to be at the top of your spreadsheet in order to work with Mail Merge. So I'm going to remove these surplus rows. If you require your source document to show records in alphabetical order from first name, you need to sort this column before you begin your Mail Merge. I don't need to select all the data, I just need to be in the last name column. Navigate to the data ribbon. Click on the A to Z icon to see your records sorted in last name order. I do not need to keep this Excel spreadsheet open to conduct my Mail Merge, so I will close. Step 3. Attach data source to main document. We need to ensure that we are in the Mailings ribbon. We can go straight in to Select Recipients. We don't need to type a new list because we already have one. We are going to navigate to where the file is located. I will select the first sheet, which is where the data is held. Notice that most of your icons have become active. Study your navigation bar. Notice the number 2. This relates to record 2 of your data source. The number 19 relates to the number of records in your data source. Now on to step 4, adding fields. You should recognize these fields from your Excel spreadsheet column headings. Ensure your cursor is in the correct place in your document before you insert your fields. You can also add any necessary spaces or returns. Fields that have been inserted are shown with go fast arrows either side. On to step 5. I will click the Preview button to see my results. Use the navigation buttons to see your records appear on the screen. On to step 6. I will click the Finish and Merge icon to print my documents. If your data source holds email addresses, then you can select the Send Email option. If you use this email feature, you will see from the drop-down list here an email field that relates to your records in your data source. Use the Select Edit Individual Documents to be able to see your individual records in a new document, giving you the option to edit. Warning: this document is no longer attached to your data source, so any changes will not be included. As we scroll through the document, you will see that all your records are held in this one document. Notice the title bar states Letter 1. There is no need to save this document, so I am closing it. To print the document, select Print Documents. As you can see from here, you have 3 options: one to select all, or just the current document, or selecting Arrange. You are then launched into your printer dialog box. Note that your document will always be attached to the data source, so when you close and save it, any changes to your data source will be updated next time you open this document. I am removing all the highlights from this document. I only use these highlights as an aid to this guide. I can now select the Highlight Merge fields to see all the merge fields in my document. I have now completed the Mail Merge Made Simple in 6 easy steps.